Yamini Churi, roll number MB21024, class FIMMS, subject Business Statistics, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is mean deviation. Definition of mean deviation. The mean deviation is defined as a statistical measure that is used to calculate the average deviation from the mean value of the given data set. Mean deviation of a series is the arithmetic average of the deviations of various items from the median or mean of that series. Mean deviation is also known as first movement of dispersion. Where and when it is used. Mean deviation is used to compute how far the value in a data set are from the center point. Mean, median and mode are form center point of the data set. In other words, the mean deviation is used to calculate the average of the absolute deviation of the data from the center point. Advantages of mean deviation. First, simple and easy. Mean deviation can be computed easily by using simple formula. It can be easily understood. Second, easy comparison. Different item of observation can be easily compared with mean deviation. Third, better measure. Mean deviation is better than quartile deviation and range because it is based on all observation of the series. Fourth, less affected. Mean deviation is less affected by the extreme values in the series while comparing to standard deviation. 5. Rigidly defined. Mean deviation is rigidly defined, so it has fixed value. 6. Unusefulness. It is very useful in various fields such as economics, commerce, etc. Disadvantages of mean deviation. First, difficulty. It becomes difficult to compute mean deviation in case of fractions. Second, not applicable. Mean deviation is not applicable for algebraic calculations. Third, ignores negative sign. Mean deviation is not a good measure as it ignores negative sign of deviation. Fourth, mean deviation cannot be obtained in case of open and class series. Example, mean deviation. The number of cappuccinos sold at the Starbucks location in the Orange County Airport between 4 and 7 pm. For a sample of 5 days last year where 20, 40, 50, 60 and 80 determine the mean deviation for the number of cappuccinos sold. Number of cappuccinos sold 20, 40, 50, 60 and 80. X minus x bar. 20 minus 50 is equal to minus 30, 40 minus 50 is equal to minus 10, 50 minus 50 is equal to 0, 60 minus 50 is equal to 10, 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. Absolute deviation 30, 10, 0, 10 or 30. Total 80. Mean deviation is equal to summation x minus x bar divided by n is equal to 80 divided by 5 is equal to 16. Thank you.